Hello YouTubers, beer geeks, and beer hounds alike. Bill here. We're going to do a beer review. Alright, this one is by Belching Beaver. It's called Dichotomy, I guess. Double Dichotomy. Dichotomy, I guess. Dichotomy. I guess that's how you pronounce it. It's a double West Coast style IPA, coming in at 8.1% alcohol by volume. Never had this before, never seen it before, nothing. I picked this up at Bevmo for like 15 bucks for 4 pints. And has a canned on date of 10/5/21. So it's about 5 weeks old. So it's pretty fresh still. This is what the can looks like. Okay, pretty cool looking can. Belching Beaver's hit and miss with me. Had some good ones, but I've had some not so good ones from them. They're from Oceanside, California. So let's get it cracked open and see what we got here. Definitely a West Coaster. A Westie. Alright. So, we have a monster, frothy, creamy, silky head. A little bit foamy, but pretty tight. We have a clear, pretty much a clear amber, light amber color. I got 1%, okay. Let's see if I can kill that right now. Boom. There we go. Okay. Alright. See if we can get some more in here. Alright, that's good for now. Let's get an aroma on this puppy. Yeah, it's like kind of piney, typical. Kind of piney floral. A little kind of citrusy, almost like it, but it's just hops. It's not fruit. Yeah, it's piney floral. I don't know how else to explain it. It's not super dank smelling. It smells pretty good though. Let's get a hit. Cheers. Yum. It's good. It's kind of juicy. It's kind of a juicy IPA. It tastes juicy. Wow, that's very good. That's very tasty. Taste follows the aroma, except there's a lot more going on in the taste. It's got the piney and the floral and the juicy kind of. That's really banging. It really is. Wow, that is good. Really nice malt backbone to this. Excellent head retention, some lacing on the glass there. I like it, I do. Medium mouthfeel. Real nice. Man, this is tasty. This is probably the best beer I've had from Belching Beaver. Pretty much, yep. Really, really tasty. This is a very good freaking West Coast IPA we got here. Really, really good. You can figure out how to pronounce that. I'm enjoying this. Nice malt backbone. Oh man, this is tasty. There's no booziness at all. No raw alcohol notes. This is an awesome beer. I'm liking it. Yes, I like it. So we're gonna let it warm up a little bit and sip on it for a few minutes and come right back, okay? Hold up. Alright, I'm back. This beer is super tasty. I'm picking up a little nice bready kind of note through it. And maybe like a kind of like a stone fruit or something, maybe. Kind of. Really nice lacing on the glass there. Really excellent IPA. It's typical, but very well made. Like exceptionally well made. Look at this. Man. Really good. We'll swill it one more time. We'll wrap it up. Cheers. Maybe a touch of some kind of earthy hops, but a really, really good beer altogether, all around. If you see this, you should grab it. It's good, especially if it's fresh. On a scale of 1 to 5, man, I'm gonna give this puppy for a Westie. It's banging. I'm gonna give it a 4.7. It's that good. So yeah, 4.7 it is. That's my story. I'll stick with that. That's what the can looks like. It's Belching Beaver. I don't even want to try to pronounce that again, but it's a really good IPA. So thanks for stopping by. I appreciate y'all. Have an awesome day, and we'll check you later. Okay, see ya.